guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I've been motivated recently to do organizational video like clean and declutter and organize. So I wanted to do that video today for you guys. So I'm showing you pretty messy right now what my room looks like. I also have my work laptop on because I've been working from home for the last 3 weeks and probably for another couple months or so more. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I organize and clean, and let's get started. Oh, by the way, I'm actually showing you two setup here, one with my work laptop and one with my Mac, which is how it usually is. I just put my Mac away just so I can do work, and then I put my Mac on if I need to edit videos. So every time I clean, I always need to have something on. Either I have music playing or I have friends playing in the background. And I put friends on because I've seen it so many times that I don't really have to see what's happening. And I just have to listen to it and know what exactly is happening. So first I started to take down my curtains and change it. I think my curtains were from either Walmart or HomeSense. Probably HomeSense. I'm not sure. I don't know about Walmart. But I don't know if you guys are aware, but one of my walls right now in my room, I've painted the same color as my curtain, and then everything else is white. My desk is from Ikea. I feel like a lot of people have seen this already. I don't remember what it's called, but pretty much the rest of my Ikea furniture is the Malm. And right now I'm kind of just like wiping everything down. Yeah, it's kind of annoying with my work laptop because I need to have a second screen, so it takes a lot of space. And then I also like that file holder that I got from the dollar store. Believe it or not, it's amazing. The quality is pretty good. The only thing is there's only one left, so I only had one. I did order some from Ikea that are white that will match my desk, and I'm just kind of going through my pens, getting rid of something that doesn't work or no more ink or stuff that I don't really like. The pen holder is from the dollar store and I spray painted it with teal paint. Keep in mind though, my desk, I want it to be minimal, like not a lot of stuff in it. Most of my planners and everything else is in another room. So the drawer, it's a good drawer space, and I'm just wiping everything down again. The containers are either from Winners or Walmart. I mean, you can pretty much get the acrylic containers everywhere. I love using them because I feel like it keeps everything clean and organized, and it just looks nice. I don't know why I have so many staples. I don't really use them anyways. Those puppy sticky notes are so cute. I can't remember where I got them from, but they're the cutest. I just put like a bunch of like my cards there, and I'm gonna move it later on in the video. You'll realize in a different spot. Those paper clips I got, I'm pretty sure I bought them. I don't think I got them through a swap. And then more paper clips. There was a moment where I was like obsessed with well, actually I'm still pretty obsessed with stationery, but yeah, now it kind of died down. I still use my planner and everything, and I'm still a sucker for pens and notebooks and anything like that. The other drawer is basically a lot of my electronics. I have a few cameras there, a couple charger because the first one I actually lost. My Nintendo DS is still there. Not that I use it often, but once in a while, as in like maybe once a year, like I'll take it out and play. I still have the very first GoPro. I only really use it for snowboarding or underwater. And yeah, I'm just like taking everything out again and wiping it down. Just keep in mind that I'm actually wiping it for more than what I'm showing you. I just wanted to fast forward everything and then cut it so the video's not long. think the acrylic containers, these ones are from the dollar store and it's fairly cheap. I think the smaller ones come in a pack of 3 or 4 for like a couple bucks. And then the bigger, like the square one, I think it's like $1.25 for one or something like that. Just putting my calculator in the back because I didn't like how it looked. So the cabinet, so it looks pretty empty like I said. I like my desk to be pretty much nothing there. These are just things that I've accumulated over the year, or just over a year or two maybe. See like my new Instax, my new phone, my new Fitbit. I would like to keep all those boxes, but I will move it to the other room eventually. This desk calendar I actually got from the dollar store. It's like quotes, which I love. I put it up on the desk and you'll see it after. And that storage container there is actually like a refrigerator container for like basically like produce and stuff like that. I can't remember. I think I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think maybe. And most of my Instax are here. Those are a little bit older, I think, but the other pictures I think are fairly like recent. Well, not recent, but like within the last 2 years. Those are like photo booth pictures from like my friends' weddings and stuff. So I just put my Instax and my digital camera there. Just trying to clean or clear my chase. It's a little bit hard to kind of keep it clear all the time. I tend to throw clothes in there that I need to fold, or like literally anything, which makes it hard for me to use my chase and just sit on it and read. Not that I really read. But yeah, I kind of like how this whole thing is like a reading nook. I have a shelf on the top, which is also from IKEA. I could put books in there or planners potentially, but I'd rather put decorative stuff. I don't really like how it looks right now. I might change it eventually. It's just random stuff that I put there. That Beauty Gala box is actually from Shoppers. I took it from when we had our very first gala. I think the other two things, the blue frame, I think it's actually like a coin bank. It's from the dollar store. And my pillows and my pillow covers are from IKEA. Pretty much all the other furnitures are from IKEA. And I really like how the color looks with everything else. But yeah, see how much nicer my Mac looks with everything else. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you on my next one.
Screen falling off the door hanging off the hinges. My feet are still sore, my back's on the fringes. We tore up the walls, we slept on couches. We lifted this house, we lifted this house. Firecrackers in the east.